Porca puttana!
Park it up there! Park it up there!
It's leaking! Shit. Oh my God. الحين بالروضة لا إله إلا الله شبت المرقين Yeah. Ay. Wow. Hey, is your car okay? Oh shit, he wrecked again! Oh shit, he wrecked! Oh shit! Is that the only two you got? Yeah. I think that's not gonna get it.
Yeah, that's all I got right now.
Yeah, no, I appreciate everything. Oh, let's keep on.
again.
He's dragging the tire. The front tire is on.
What is wrong with this dude? Alright, no, not more. Oh shit! Oh my gosh! What the fuck?
Fuck? What the fuck is that? Holy shit. Yo, get this fucking Ferrari, bro. Yo, hold on. Go slow, go slow. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. No. Oh, no. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Oh shit! Go, go, go! Oh shit! Oh! The fuck? Oh!
Don't got it.
It's a fucking Supra! Oh! Oh!
Our little Uzi Vert car, look at him. Man, come on. Soldier ain't from the hood, but little Uzi Vert, come on, he's loud here. Come on, man. You're gonna get in trouble, bro. You're scratching the bottom. Scratching it. You're scratching it. You're scratching it. You're scratching it. You're scratching it. It's gonna be on World Star, baby. It's gonna be on World Star.
Это никогда Тоя, 3 восьмерки и лужи, это просто, блядь, никогда в жизни, нахуй. Это полный пиздец, блядь. Пороги, хуёки, дверь. Просто пиздец, диски. Я ебал. Я ебал.
It is amazing. He not only stays with his camera, he stays with the action. Watch as he turns and follows the car as it's going along, unaware, of course, that the Cisneros car is coming his way. He leaves the camera and dives off to the side.
Goodness gracious me.
That is amazing.
Oh shit! Yes, somebody was doing donuts and got fucking smacked out. Bang!
Wow, mira esta coche.
Yeah, if you look at all the other runs, the braking was quite close to the same, and I
No,
always...
we definitely looked at the various runs that you've had, and you were pretty much on song in terms of the lines you've hit all day long.
وياه الله أكبر.
Back up. All over Instagram.
Oh, crap.
Se me quemó mi carro, se me quemó mi Lotus.
根本就是他撞的。
他 double lane 然后才overtake 啊。